If you're eating less but your belly fat refuses to disappear, one hidden habit could be stopping your progress. Stay until the end to discover it. Rule number 1, stop drinking your calories. Sugary coffee, soda, and sweetened drinks quietly add hundreds of calories without making you feel full. Rule number 2, eat more protein at every meal. Protein helps you stay full longer, supports muscle, and makes healthy eating much easier. Rule number 3, walk every single day. Even a simple 30-minute walk can burn calories, improve your mood, and support steady, sustainable fat loss. Rule number 4, sleep at least 7 to 8 hours. Poor sleep can increase hunger, reduce energy, and make healthy choices much harder every day. Now for rule number 5, consistency beats perfection. Small healthy habits repeated every day deliver better long-term results than extreme diets or workouts. Imagine following these 5 simple habits together. You don't need perfect days, just consistent choices that slowly become your healthy lifestyle and lasting routine. One common mistake is skipping meals. It may seem helpful, but extreme hunger often leads to overeating later and makes healthy habits harder. Here's an easy trick. Fill half your plate with vegetables first. This helps control portions naturally while adding fiber, vitamins, and satisfying crunch. Start every morning with a simple plan. Healthy choices become easier when you prepare your meals, schedule movement, and stay consistent throughout the day. Many people believe endless workouts alone melt belly fat. The truth is, nutrition and daily habits work together with exercise for lasting results. Before reaching for a snack, drink 1 glass of water first. Sometimes thirst feels like hunger, making you eat more than your body needs. Slow down while eating. Your brain needs time to recognize fullness. So eating mindfully can help reduce overeating, without strict dieting or counting calories. Healthy snacks are helpful, but portion size still matters. Even nutritious foods can add extra calories when eaten without paying attention every day. Your evening routine shapes tomorrow's success. Preparing healthy meals and workout clothes the night before makes good decisions easier when morning gets busy. One weekend doesn't ruin your progress. The goal isn't perfection. It's getting back to healthy habits with your very next meal or activity. Don't let the scale control your emotions. Daily weight naturally changes, so focus on your habits, energy, strength, and how your clothes actually fit. Keep healthy foods where you can see them. When nutritious choices are easier to reach, you're more likely to choose them every single day. Don't ask, how fast can I lose weight? Instead ask, what healthy habits can I keep for years? That's where lasting success begins. Real change doesn't happen overnight. Keep practicing these 5 simple rules, celebrate every small win, and let consistency create the healthy life you deserve. Here's the secret most successful women follow. They don't rely on motivation. They create simple routines that work, even on busy, stressful days. Before every snack, pause for 1 minute and ask yourself, am I truly hungry or just bored, stressed, or emotional? That simple pause matters. Healthy eating starts before you get home. A smart grocery list helps you avoid impulse purchases and keeps nutritious options ready throughout the week. You don't have to exercise non-stop. Taking the stairs, walking during phone calls, and standing more often can increase your daily movement naturally. The healthiest lifestyle isn't about being perfect. It's about making one better choice today, then repeating that choice again tomorrow with confidence. Feeling hungry isn't always an emergency. Waiting just a few minutes and checking your body's signals can help you make more mindful food choices. A balanced breakfast can help reduce cravings later. Combining protein, fiber, and healthy fats helps you stay satisfied and energized throughout your morning. Your environment shapes your habits. When healthy choices are easy to see and unhealthy temptations stay out of sight, consistency becomes much easier. Celebrate every small victory. Every healthy meal, every walk, and every positive choice builds confidence, making your next healthy decision even easier tomorrow. Remember, lasting fat loss comes from healthy habits you can enjoy for life. Stay patient, stay consistent, and your future self will thank you. Here's another simple habit. Eat without distractions. Turning off your phone and television helps you enjoy meals and notice when you're comfortably full. Never shop when you're hungry. Hunger can make tempting foods look irresistible, leading to impulse purchases instead of the nutritious choices you originally planned. Stress can influence eating habits. Finding healthy ways to relax, like walking, deep breathing, or reading, may help reduce emotional eating over time. A relaxing bedtime routine helps your body unwind. Better sleep supports energy, balanced appetite, and makes healthy decisions feel easier the following day. Don't wait for Monday or next month. Your next healthy choice can start right now. Because small actions repeated daily create meaningful long-term change. Your body notices every healthy choice, even when the mirror doesn't. Stay patient, trust the process, and let consistency build results over time. Track your habits instead of chasing perfection. Every checked box reminds you that progress comes from consistent actions, not from one perfect day. Motivation comes and goes, but routines stay with you. Build simple daily habits, and you'll keep moving forward even on difficult, busy days. Success isn't only about weight loss. Stronger habits, better energy, improved confidence, and feeling healthier are also important signs that you're progressing. The best plan is the one you can actually follow. Choose simple habits, stay patient, and create a lifestyle that feels natural every day. Your journey doesn't need to be perfect. Even small improvements repeated consistently can create a healthier lifestyle and help you feel stronger every single day. Avoid all or nothing thinking. Missing one workout or having one treat doesn't erase your progress. Your next choice is what matters most. Find activities you actually enjoy. When movement feels fun instead of punishment, you're more likely to stay active and make it part of your lifestyle. Your mindset matters more than motivation. Focus on becoming a healthier version of yourself, not chasing quick fixes that never last. The 5 rules are simple. Drink smart, eat protein, move daily, sleep well, and stay consistent. Small habits create lasting change. Remember, your body is not your enemy. Support it with healthy choices, patience, and care instead of punishment or extreme methods. The goal isn't a temporary diet. It's creating a healthy routine that fits your life, your schedule, and the person you want to become. Your transformation starts with today's choices. Drink water, eat balanced meals, move your body, rest well, and believe in your ability to improve. Remember, a healthier body is built through daily choices. Be patient, stay consistent, and keep going. Which rule will you start today? Comment below. Subscribe to PHYSIQORA for more healthy lifestyle tips.